We're going to explain how to put this together. This is the bandolier for the MakerChip. You have two sections and a middle connector piece that is permanently attached. I also have another version where you can separate these two pieces as well. The easiest way to do this is to start with these horizontal loops. And you want to angle the pieces up to where you can just pop it in from the side. And then just do the vertical loop. And then just repeat on this side. It's that simple. And then you can just repeat for however many sections you need to make this long. And then at the end, you put these together with another middle piece, with another connector piece, I should say, and join it together. And then you have the bandolier.